Hello class, and welcome back. I want us to emphasize about the wealth maximization theory of the firm. Now, what does the wealth maximization theory of the firm states? The wealth maximization theory of the firm emphasizes that the main purpose why a firm exists is to maximize the wealth of the firm. Now, where does this wealth come from? Remember that a company or a firm is owned by shareholders. They are the people who have pumped their money there. They are the ones that makes up the wealth of the company. Therefore, managers are given a responsibility to ensure that the money or the wealth that the shareholders have pumped into that business is utilized, and then a high yield, comes out. Okay. Now, when we are calculating the value of the firm, we have to take note that the future profits, the anticipated future profits, should be discounted. Why? According to the principle of discount, the discounting principle, which states that the kwacha today, or the money that you have today, is more valuable than the money that you have tomorrow. Or let me say, the money that you have in the future is less valuable as compared to what you have today. Therefore, you should discount all the future profits in your quest to calculate the value of the firm. So, how do we calculate the value of the firm? Showing all discounts. We follow the formula, which is PV is equal to pi 1 over 1 plus R to the power 1. That's the formula for calculating the value of the firm, the present value of the firm. Now, what do PV stand for? PV stands for present value. Present value. What do pi stand for? Pi stands for expected future profits. Now, here beneath pi, we have this formula for discount, 1 plus R. What do the R stand for? R stands for discount rate. And this discount rate is expressed in percentages. So, this 1 plus a discount rate gives what we are discounting from our future profits. Okay, let's get into action and answer the question that we have. In our module, page 16, is it page 16? Page 17, we have a question which reads as follows. The owner of the mini-mart expects to receive a profit of 60,000 in each of the next 3 years and be able to sell the firm in the third year for 900,000. Now, the owner believes that the appropriate discount rate is 10%. Then the question is calculate the value of the firm. Now, present value of the firm is equal to pi 1 over 1 plus R. Now, the question, remember, is talking about considering 3 years. So we are going to repeat this formula for 3 years. So it's going to be plus pi 1 over 1 plus R to the power 2. This is the second year. 2 years stands for second year. Then we have got pi 3 over 1 plus R to the power 3. Now remember that this company is going to be sold at the end of 3 years. Therefore, we are going to say plus pi 3 over 1 plus R to the power 3 again. Now, let's go. What will be the present value of a company that is actually producing 60,000 every year? So, we are going to say 60,000 divided by 1 plus R. Now, the sellers anticipated that the discount rate is 10%. So we are going to convert this 10% so that we add it to 1. We are going to say 10 divided by 100. 10% divided by 100 is going to give us 0.1. Therefore, here where there is error, we are going to put 0.1, 0.1. Or in short, we are going to add 1 plus 0.1, which means we are just going to be dividing by 0.1 to the power 1. Next, we add for the second year, which will be 60,000 divided by 1.1 to the power 2. This is the second year. Then 60,000 divided by 1.1 to the power 3. And lastly, we are going to say plus 900,000, the value at which we are going to sell this company or firm. The value at which you are going to sell this company divided by 1.1 to the power 3. Now, if you enter this on your calculator, you find that your value of the firm will be 825, 900, okay, 394.44. This will be the value of the firm. Now, I want to emphasize something that is very important. This power on a pi do not actually, implicate anything here. This stands for year. The only thing that they implicate is the discount formula down here. For example, 1 plus r to the power 1, which means this is the first year. 1 plus r to the power 2, which is second year. 1 plus r to the power 3, third year. And 1 plus r to the power 3, which means the selling value. So that's why here you are just seeing that we are just putting 60,000, 60,000. But this, the powers down here, actually, you are multiplying this 1 times 1 to the power 1. Then 1.1 to the power 2. 1.1 to the power 3. 1.1 to the power 3. And then you divide into the figures on top. And that will automatically give you that as your what? The present value of the firm. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about other theories of the firm, such as sales maximization model. We are going to talk about the managerial utility model. We are going to talk about the behavioral theory of the firm model. And that will be the end of the theory of the firm. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and God bless you. Until next time. Shalom, shalom.